Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. My name is AYODEJI AJALA. This is episode 1 on our brand new series on radio jingle production. And I want to promise you that if you stick with me to the end, which is episode 8, you will be able to create your own professional radio jingle by yourself. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. You have probably had jingle on radio, at churches, and even to promote an advert. But have you ever asked yourself, how are these jingle being made? Today, I will not only define jingle, but I will also show you the examples and types. So let's start with, what is a radio jingle? A radio jingle is a short, catchy radio message that can neither promote a brand, identify an advert, or create an awareness for an event. It's the combination of words, lyrics, music, and energy to ensure that it sticks into the people's mind. Let me show you the 3 types of radio jingle we have. We have the station ID jingle, the commercial jingle, and also the promo jingle. So one, the station ID, it identifies a station. That is it. For example, Joy FM, your voice of hope. Joy FM, your voice of hope. The second one, the commercial jingle, it is used to advertise a product. Imagine having something like this. Drink fresh Coke. Taste the happiness. Also the last one, promo jingle, which is used to promote an event. Something like this. This Friday, don't miss the 3 days revival at 11 Feet Chop. Time 6 p.m. Come and experience the greatness of God. Jesus is Lord. See how each have different purpose. Let me tell you something. Every powerful jingle starts with a script. The one I said earlier, drink fresh Coke, taste the happiness, has its own script. The word you write determine rhythm and even emotions behind the jingle. So if you did not have a script, you will just be guessing. And that is why in episode 2, we will be diving into the script itself, of which I don't want you to miss it, because if you miss it, you've missed the entire backbone of the tutorial series. The 3 apps that we will be using achieving this wonderful jingle of this 8th episode, they are kinemaster, Pixellab, and your phone audio recorder. Of course, you know, Pixellab is used for designing the radio jingle. kinemaster is used for editing and to bring everything together, while your phone audio recorder is used to record your voice. So with these 3 apps, can you see that we can achieve a professional radio drama with no stress, no laptop, and no expensive studio? So let me share with you the roadmap for our 8th episode. Episode 1 talks about the introduction of jingle, and that is what we've done today. Episode 2, which we'll be doing next week Friday, We're talking about the circuit of writing a powerful radio jingle script. Episode 3 talks about how we can design this wonderful script on Pixellab. Episode 4, all we're doing is about how we are going to use our phone to record the audio of that wonderful script. Episode 5 is when we'll be editing with kinemaster. Episode 6 is when we'll be adding music, sound into our voice, and then we export it. Episode 7 is when I want to hear from you, how you have been doing your own, and also if you have been successful with it. Episode 8 talks about probably maybe if you have some issues when you are trying to make your own, you can share it with us and we work towards. Then I believe by that you should be able to create your own radio jingle either for your church service or for station ID or to promote an advert. I believe you should be able to do it without no stress and also without an expensive studio or radio station. Hit the subscription button, like, share. Yes, share. Share this beautiful content to platforms like churches, commercial gathering, where people need this tutorial. You can assist them in ensuring that this tutorial gets to them, especially for those of us that we are a media in our church. We can ensure, we can try to put this wonderful tutorial on our platform to ensure that the team, they watch and they're able to create something like this that will not stress them. And if you are here that you've not actually subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm waiting for you. Subscribe so that when I drop the next content on episode 2 about how you yourself, how you will be able to write a powerful jingle ready for episode 2, because you are going to unlock the power of writing a wonderful script for radio jingle, which is the foundation. I'm very sure that you don't want to miss episode 2. So see you on episode 2. And for those of you that you have subscribed to my channel, thank you. I appreciate you. God bless you. We meet in our next class, episode 2, next week Friday. Thank you.